Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Very little agriculture is possible here since this region does not receive any rain and it is covered in snow for a large part of the year. There are very few trees that can grow in the region, and for drinking water, people depend on the melting snow during the summer month. So people here keep sheep, and sheep in this region are special because they produce pashmina wool, and this wool is prized and pashmina shawl cost a lot of money. So the people in Ladakh carefully collect the wool of the sheep and sell this to traders from Kashmir. And pashmina shawls are chiefly woven in Kashmir. So the people eat meat and milk products like cheese and butter. And each family owns some goat, cows and zos, yak cows. And being a desert did not mean that Ladakh did not attract its share of traders. It was considered a good trade route as it had many passes uh, through which caravans traveled to what is today called as Tibet. So these caravans carried textiles and spices, raw milk and carpets. And Buddhism, it reached this place, Tibet, via Ladakh. Ladakh is also called Little Tibet. Islam was introduced in this region more than 400 years ago, and there is a significant Muslim population here. Ladakh has very rich oral tradition of songs and poems. Local versions of Tibetan national epic, the Kesar Saga, are performed and sung by both Muslims and Buddhists. Now, then we talk about Kerala. So Kerala is a state of southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hill on the other side, on one side. So a number of spices like pepper, cloves, cardamoms, they are grown in the hills. So it is spices that made this region an attractive place for the traders. Jewish and Arab traders were the first to come here. The apostle of Christ, St. Thomas, is believed to have come here nearly 2000 years ago, and he is credited with the Christianity bringing to India. So many Arab traders also came and settled down here. Ibn Battuta, who traveled here a little less than 700 years ago, wrote a travelogue in which he describes the lives of Muslims and say that they were a highly respected community. The Portuguese discovered the sea route to India from Europe, and Vasco da Gama landed with his ship here. And because of all these various historical influences, people in Kerala practice different religions like the Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism and Buddhism. The fishing net used here look exactly like the sea. This is the Chinese fishing nets. If you see here, these are the fishing nets, Chinese fishing nets. Chinese fishing nets are now called China wala. So even the utensils used for frying is called China chatti, and it is believed that word Chin could have come from China. So the fertile land and the climate are suited for growing rice, and majority of people eat rice, fish and vegetable. So this is the figure of a boat race, an important part of Onam festival celebrated in Kerala.